Hey, what is up, y'all? It is your boy Big J, and you are watching another episode of Jay's World. Over the weekend, I picked up a Xbox Series S. I do have the Halo Xbox Series X in my bedroom, so I bought another one just to have in the living room and for travel purposes. So, here we go. Box, white console. Crack this bad boy open. Show you what we got here. So, it's the system. Really mini and travel size. Power your dreams. And let's see what we got here. This is basically telling you Ethernet ports and all that, and controller how to put the batteries in case you're a dummy. Open this last, and got here are power plugs, HDMI cables. This is warranty guide. And of course the controller. So really no fuss, no muss with the packaging, very simple, which I like. Pretty cool. So let me take out the controller and show you guys. All white back. Let me see if this says the message that everybody says some of these have. Hello from Seattle. If you watch, if you look at a lot of these backing controllers, it says hello from Seattle inside where you put your batteries. And excuse the noise, somebody's riding a bike outside. Okay, so there you have it. This is the speaker here, the power button, there's the sync button here, and the power cords in the back, HDMI and all that. So I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to share another video when I have everything fully set up. I'll catch you guys soon. Later.